In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post in Microsoft Teams channels. Pinning a post is an incredibly useful feature that helps highlight important announcements, frequently accessed resources, or key discussions within a specific team channel. This ensures crucial information remains easily visible and accessible to everyone, preventing it from getting lost in a busy feed. Let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this, enhancing your team's communication and efficiency. Our first step is to open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the main Teams section. You'll typically find the Teams icon on the left-hand navigation rail of your Microsoft Teams application, usually represented by a group of people or a grid. This rail is your central hub for moving between chats, calls, files, and your various teams. Clicking this icon will display a comprehensive list of all the teams you are a member of or have created. This action is foundational, bringing you to the overview where you can then select the specific team containing the post you wish to highlight. Ensure you're logged into your Teams account to see your full list of active teams, guaranteeing you start from the correct place within the application. Once you've clicked on the Teams icon, you'll see a collection of all your active teams displayed. Your next action is to simply click on the specific team that contains the channel where the post you want to pin is located. Take a moment to scan through your list of teams and accurately identify the correct one, whether it's a project team, a departmental team, or a general announcement hub. Selecting the right team is crucial, because pinning a post is specific to a particular channel within a particular team. Once you click your chosen team, its associated channels will become visible on the left side, often showing a general channel by default, along with any other custom channels. Make sure you select the exact team that houses the post you intend to pin. Now that you're inside your selected team and have navigated to the appropriate channel, you'll need to scroll through the conversation feed to locate the specific post you wish to pin. Once you've found it, hover your mouse cursor over that particular message. As you do, a small menu of reactions and actions will appear, typically towards the top right corner of the post itself. Among these options, you will see an icon represented by 3 horizontal dots, often referred to as an ellipsis or more options. This icon is a universal symbol in many applications for revealing additional functionalities. Clicking on this 3-dotted line will open a drop-down menu, presenting you with a range of actions you can perform on that specific post, such as editing, deleting, or saving. From the drop-down menu that appeared after clicking the More Options ellipsis, you will find an option clearly labeled Pin for Everyone. This is the command we're looking for to highlight our chosen message. Clicking Pin for Everyone will immediately take that selected post and elevate its visibility within the channel. It moves the post into the Channel Info pane, which is typically found on the right-hand side of your channel view when you click the eye icon for channel information. More importantly, it ensures the post is prominently displayed and easily accessible to every member of that channel. Pinned posts serve as a quick reference point for critical information, acting like a digital bulletin board. If there are already other pinned posts, this new one will be added to the list, with the most recently pinned usually appearing at the top. This makes sure vital information is always just a click away for all team members. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a post in a Microsoft Teams channel. This simple yet powerful feature is instrumental in keeping your team aligned and informed, ensuring that key messages, project updates, or important resources are never overlooked. By utilizing the Pin for Everyone option, you can streamline communication and enhance productivity, making vital information readily available to everyone in the channel. We hope this guide was clear and helpful for improving your Microsoft Teams experience.